If this goes on your YouTube channel.
That's it, I'm keeping it now. Hey there guys, it's Emily and I'm in Portsmouth with this one. Very good. Hey. And we are going costume shopping because it's the 30th of October and you do that. People do that, you know. So we're gonna attempt to find a costume in the one that's closest to us, otherwise we've got to go somewhere else apparently. How do I know? So we've got our costumes, amazingly. You missed most of it. Shocking news, but we've just been announced it, okay? And some lady took the tag off the vodka and handed it me without wanting to see any ID. So I'm having a really good day. But also I got a costume, it's a surprise. I'll show you in a bit. It's a surprise. Surprise costume. Hello and welcome to Halloween, and you've missed the whole day. Yep, I'm so organised, but right, I'm dressed. I'm not blooded yet. Ellie's
fixing my cake.
There you go.
Fixing my cake.
I didn't know that. I've been attacked by potentially wolves, or a huntsman, or both. I'm not sure. Also, on my neck, I'm dead. We need to put blood on it to make it look real, because it doesn't look real. Let's all be like, realistic about this. And then we're going out.
Hello, Emily.
Hello, Ellie.
How was your night?
Okay, first someone says giraffe, so I'm already happy.
Say giraffe.
Giraffe. It's a giraffe. If this goes on your YouTube channel.
That's it, I'm keeping it now.
If this goes on your YouTube channel, I will not be happy.
No, I'm putting that clip in exactly.
Hey guys, it's Ellie, and this is my channel now. I would like to tell the internet that... What should I tell the internet?
What do you want? I met someone who says giraffe.
I met this guy and he says giraffe. Emily and Lydia are wrong. And Sam's okay, right? Sam, you're right. Not you. Not this Sam. This Sam. Look here. This guy here. He's also called Sam.
Today we're going to a zombie party because it's to reuse your outfits and drink more, apparently.
And eat brains.
And eat brains. There's a brain eating competition. Also, I'm taking you with me, and if that's very dangerous, so if you never see this footage, you know why. I found someone who doesn't like cheese! And we're in Subway! And here's Ellie. Where's Ellie gone? Ellie! Hi guys! And we're drunk. I had many shots for my birthday. Ellie's 21st! I'm 21 now. We're back home. It's like 5 in the morning. And I look dead. We've got to get up tomorrow. It's Ellie's birthday. Way!
Thank you.
So shockingly, I am home and it's like a few days later because I just didn't film the end. Well, that sums me up, doesn't it? So, it's Bonfire night and we're going out to watch some fireworks and you get to come with me. And it's really gross on the floor and we're hurrying to the car so we can beat every other person in Newark out of here. I'm talking to myself again. Just me and you